Luna, you must try this cheese. Alright, but only if you promise to come with me for a walk.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yes.
I'm Adrian. What's your name?
Elara, but we should be careful. Our families.
Our enemies. I know.
What if they found out? Our families will never accept this.
I don't care. I care about you, Ilara.
Elara, how could you betray our family?
Adrian, you put shame upon us.
We love each other. Can't you see that?
This feud is seamless. We deserve to be happy. Let's run away together. We can start a new life.
What about our families? They will never forgive us.
Our love is worth fighting for. Lara, I always love you.
No, please. We have lost too much. It's time to end this feud.
Dear love, be a lesson for us.
I will make them understand. Our love will not be in vain. I will always love you, Adrian.